Ah yes, like clockwork. Bianca Censori's latest outing with her husband Kanye West in Milan has made everyone start talking again. Her look was basically serving content. And that's exactly what has happened since she came out. The tabloids everywhere are trying to paint an inexistent image of the situation. The narrative that Kanye West is forcing her to dress this way, or that she's unhappy to be in the situation is utterly and completely false. Kanye West and Bianca worked together at Yeezy before all this, so she definitely knows what type of fashion Kanye West is into. Some people are going as far as saying, "Someone save this woman." Wait? Did she tell you that she's under duress? People don't like to see Kanye West happy, they prefer him ranting and living a loud life. Remember, none of his past women have ever come out and said he forced them to dress a certain way. The only people who say that are the people who aren't in a relationship with him. One of his most vocal exes, Julia Fox, never once said he was a horrible man in terms of how he treated her. Her only complaint about him involved the Jews and his sentiments towards them. Outside of that, she said he was pretty much a chill dude who'd share his dreams and plans with her. But then, so many people outside of Kanye West's relationships always have so much to say in regards to what happens in them. Where does this talk even come from? Especially considering no inside sources leak any bad news about him. And even his exes like Kim Kardashian never say anything evil about him. Shouldn't that show you that Kanye West may be doing many things rightly? I don't know, maybe I'm reading too shallow into it. What are your thoughts? Please do comment down below.